Okay, today we are doing multiplying polynomials, this time a binomial by a polynomial. And to do this, you'll have to distribute each term in the first polynomial to each term in the second polynomial. All right, and by that, I'm going to show you two methods of doing this. You'll prefer one over the other. I'm not saying you'll like them, either one, but you'll choose one over the other to continue in your journey in multiplying polynomials. So we're going to take the example 2x plus 1 times x minus 5. So you'll see the difference here is that we have two terms times two terms. It's no longer just one term to distribute. What we have to make sure is that 2 gets multiplied with x and negative 5, and that 1 gets multiplied with x and negative 5. So everything here needs to be multiplied by everything here. So again, two different methods of doing this. Choose your favorite. The first one we're going to call the box method. And this should remind you of a Punnett square in biology. So begin by drawing your box, just like you would in biology class. And we're going to use these as your traits. So I'm going to put this on top. Notice how I took the sign with it, just so that I remember it's a positive 1 when I'm doing this. And now this on the side. Again, I took the sign with my, second term, so I know it's a negative 5. Brief side note, in biology, when you do these, you have something like R, 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 R. And then in this box, big R, big R, big R, little r, big R, big R, big R, little r. You just take the two that have the sides of it and put it where it belongs. Well, now in math, whenever we see something right next to each other like this, it means to multiply. This would be R times R in math. Big R times little r. Big R times big R times little r. So we're going to take that concept and apply it here. So in this first square, it's going to be 2x times x. We take the top, take the side, multiply. When I multiply 2x times x, I get 2x squared. In my second box, it's going to be 1 times x. 1 times x is 1x. In my bottom box, I have 2x times negative 5. 2x times negative 5, negative 10x. And in my bottom right box, 1 times negative 5, which in this case is negative 5. So then I'm going to write these down here. So I have 2x squared, positive 1x, negative 10x, negative 5. Notice that my two middle terms are like terms, so I'm going to go ahead and combine those. So I have 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. That's your box method. If you like this, keep doing it. I'm going to show you the next method on the next video.